That damn creaking sound from Dad's chair still makes me cry. When I was a kid, my dad used to come home from work every day at 5:30. The second he walked in the door, he would take off his shoes, put on his slippers, and sit in his favorite chair. He would then pull the lever to recline the chair, and it would make a very distinct creaking sound. My mom would always have dinner ready for him, and he would eat it while watching his favorite show, MASH. I would sit on the floor next to him, and we would watch it together. After the show was over, he would always fall asleep in his chair. I would take his plate to the kitchen and cover him with a blanket. Then I would go to bed. I did this every night for years. When I was 17, my dad passed away from a heart attack. I was devastated. I couldn't bring myself to sit in his chair for months. One night, I was feeling particularly sad, and I decided to sit in his chair. I pulled the lever to recline it, and it made that same creaking sound. I immediately burst into tears. I sat there for hours, crying and remembering all the good times I had with my dad. That creaking sound will always remind me of him and the love we shared.